everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Kelly from Kelly Lee Creates, and today I'm going to show you how to make this plaid pattern in Procreate. This is super easy and only takes a few steps, so let's get started. As with all my patterns, I start out with a 3000 by 3000 pixel square. Let's come over here to the wrench and turn on my drawing guide and edit drawing guide, and under the grid size I'm gonna put it at about 150 pixels, and this just gives us a guide when we're drawing our lines. Now I'm gonna choose a light pink color, and I'm using a monoline brush, and it's at about 14%, and I'm just gonna start to draw lines. Just draw lines across the page. And then I'm going to choose a little bit darker color pink, but not that dark, like this color, and another line, and hold your Apple Pencil down and put your finger down to get a perfectly straight line. And I'm just going to go back and forth, alternating these two colors, and you don't have to space them evenly. You just have to make sure that they're straight. You don't have to have the grid if you don't want to. Sometimes it's easier to space the lines out when you have the grid, but it's definitely not obligatory, I guess, that you use the grid. And so I've got about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got about 7. I've got 7 lines across the page. And now I'm going to go turn off the drawing guide. And I'm going to duplicate this layer. Swipe left, hit duplicate, and then tap the arrow and rotate it. And then on this top layer, I'm going to change the blend mode from normal to multiply, and when I do that, you can see how the top layer interacts with the bottom layer, making these light and dark colors. So then I'm going to merge the two together, and then you can leave it like this, or you can make your pattern, you can scale it a little bit smaller. So to do that, I'm gonna duplicate this 4 times. So I'm going to keep this bottom layer, but I'm going to turn it off. That's just my original, so we can come back to that if we make any mistakes. And then I'm going to take the top layer, come up to the arrow, hit this, tap on the green dot, or the blue dot, sorry, and change the pixels from 3000 down to 1500. And that square will pop into place. And then you just do it with each other layer. Then you come down to this layer, and then you're going to choose this dot right here, oops, this dot in the bottom left corner, 1500, and then your final layer, this dot in the bottom right, tap on it, change the dimensions to 1500, and there you have your pretty plaid pattern. You can just go through, make sure everything is lining up correctly, and then you can pinch all the layers together. So that's how you make a pretty plaid pattern in Procreate. If you like this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos. And if you want more tutorials like this, you can follow me on Instagram at Kelly L Creates, or visit my blog at kellyleecreates.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.